G'day everybody, it is Matt here, and today I'm going to take you through the process of how to stake CRO on the crypto.org chain using the crypto.com DeFi Wallet App on your phone. So before I jump into that, I just need to say this is not financial advice at all. It's purely for your entertainment. You should do all of your own research and don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. So once you're ready to go, jump into the crypto.com DeFi Wallet App on your phone. I'm assuming that you have already got some CRO in your wallet on the crypto.org chain. If you don't, put some there first because you need it there in order to stake on the crypto.org chain to a validator. Once you've done that, come on back. If you're not sure how to get CRO onto your crypto.org chain wallet in the crypto.com DeFi app, I may do a video on withdrawing CRO from the crypto.com app. If I do, I'll stick a link to that up the top there for you and also down in the description. But for right now, I'm assuming you've got CRO there and you know how to get it there. Yeah. So jump into the mobile app with me and we'll go through how to actually do that. So from the crypto.com DeFi Wallet App dashboard, you should have a list of cryptocurrencies here that looks something like this. It will also have your total balance and your base currency and so on, and that option to send and receive and all that sort of thing. Now, because we want to stake, that's going to come under the Earn tab. So in the menu down in the bottom, click that Earn button, which is the bottom right, and that will take you to all of the Earn options. Now scrolling down from here will give you the current maximum estimated APYs for the various tokens that are supported through the crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now, to actually make a CRO stake to a validator, we want to click that blue Earn More button. It'll then show us all of the cryptocurrencies that we actually have in the wallet that we can stake. So we'll click CRO, and again, I'm assuming you've got CRO in your wallet. We're now going to specify the amount that we want to stake. So I've got a maximum balance there of 71. I want to leave some CRO in my wallet though, so that I can pay for transactions and all that sort of thing. I need to have some to pay for fees, because if you don't have any CRO left in your wallet, you can't claim your rewards, you can't restake them, and so on. And that's really annoying. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say I want to stake 60 CRO here. So that button down the bottom, the blue one, has changed to now list how much we're staking, and it's enabled. So I'm going to click that Stake CRO button. And we then want to choose our validator. Now, if there's a specific one you want, you can search for it using that search box up the top. Of course, you can also just scroll through the list here. Now, these validators are listed along with their estimated return, which is based on what fee they are charging. So at the moment, if they are charging a 0% fee, then the estimated return is going to be 12.37%. Then on that right-hand column is their voting power and uptime. So ideally, to keep the system as decentralized as possible, their voting power should be less than 7%, because more than 7% is starting to put a lot of power in one validator, and that can create network vulnerabilities. We also want to ensure that the validator we're staking to has a high uptime, because that affects our rewards. So the app recommends an uptime of higher than 98%. I've found that good validators are often above 99%, pretty much all the time, and rarely go down. Now, I'm just going to scroll through this list. I know which one I'm going to stake against, and that is the DWeb Guide one. So I already have CRO staked with them, and I've been pretty happy with that validator. So I'm going to continue. I'll click Confirm Validator. It's then brought up my confirmation of how much CRO, what the estimated network fee is. So that's 0.0002 CRO, and then the validator's commission. So in this case, it's 0%. If they're charging a fee or a commission on the rewards, then it'll show that here. Where I've got 0%, another validator will show a different amount. So for example, if we jump out of that one and go into, let's say, this one, JetNode, we're seeing there that they've got a commission of 4%. So I'll just jump back over to the one I want, confirm. Once we're ready to go, we'll click that blue Confirm Stake button down the bottom. It'll then remind us that there is a 28-day unbonding period. Now, this is important. This means if you go to unstake this CRO from the validator, you will have to wait 28 days before it goes into your wallet. That's how long it takes to essentially withdraw, so to speak, from the validator. Now, during this time, your CRO does not earn any rewards either. So, very important. Don't stake CRO here if you're going to need to get it faster than 28 days because you can't, right? So this is not somewhere that is a quick access, highly liquid means of withdrawal. Now, this is part of maintaining network security. There are plenty of good reasons why they've opted to go this way and have that 28-day unbonding period, but it's just really important to be aware of. So if you're happy with that, click the blue proceed button. If you've got multi-factor authentication set up on your DeFi wallet, it'll then prompt you to enter a 6-digit verification code and your request is then submitted. Now it'll go into a pending state, which usually resolves anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. So you can view the details of that by clicking that view details button down the bottom. That's confirming which validator you're staking to, what the network is, the network fee, and the total amount of CRO that's cost. So you'll notice there that while I'm staking 60 CRO, I've also got that network fee added at the end there. So it's giving me that total overall. We can now go back. So we can see there on the earn screen, we've got our pending stake up the top there. And over on the wallet dashboard, we've also got that pending transaction showing up the top. So once that's completed, that'll disappear. If it seems to be taking a long time, you can pull down to update and it will check and it'll disappear from there if it's been done. But that'll go in automatically once it's processed, even if the app isn't showing it yet. And there we go. It's just disappeared off the app pending transaction list for me. So that's it done. That will now be staked against that validator for me. Now, if you stake against a validator that has rewards pending, those rewards will actually get automatically transferred into your wallet at the same time as you've done this stake. So it can be kind of handy if you're wanting to get rewards from a validator at the same time as staking to it, because that's going to do it in one transaction. So that's it. That is how you stake CRO on the crypto.org chain in the crypto.com DeFi Wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it if you did, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And I'll link to some other videos down in the description that might be helpful if you are looking at doing this yourself. I've also got another video coming up on how to claim rewards from a CRO stake on the crypto.org chain. So keep an eye out for that. That's it for me for now. Have an awesome day, and I will catch you next time. Bye.